It's snowing out! February 20th in Minnesota. Hi, babe.
Hey, alright.
Gavin, what do you think about the snow? Woohoo! McKinley's back there. She's sleeping, Gav? It's supposed to be a big snowstorm. The rain just turned to snow. We'll see how much we get. Left. Wait, no. Is that the highway? Yeah, I think you're supposed to go left there.
Yep. Try to loop around.
I know.